Here's a quick way to send crypto from Coinbase to your Tangem wallet. I'm using USDC on the Polygon network as an example, but you can do this with any crypto as long as you use the right network. First, open your Tangem app, tap receive, then pick the crypto you want, like USDC on Polygon. Tap copy address to get your wallet address. Make sure you keep this address safe and double check it before using it anywhere. Next, open Coinbase and tap send. Choose the crypto you want to send, USDC in this case, and make sure you select the matching network. Like Polygon, it's important to always use the same network as your Tangem wallet to avoid losing funds, because sending via the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your crypto. Paste your Tangem wallet address into Coinbase. Enter the amount you want to send or tap max if you want to send everything in that wallet. Double check the address and amount to make sure everything is correct. Finally, review all the details, including the network, wallet address, and any fees. Fees are usually low on Polygon, but always check so you're not surprised. When everything looks good, tap send. Then just wait for the transfer to confirm on both Coinbase and your Tangem wallet. Once confirmed, your crypto is safely in your Tangem wallet, ready to use or hold. Always remember to double check every step when transferring crypto. It's the best way to keep your funds safe.